Welcome. This is a video based upon straight lines, coordinate geometry, and circles for AS level 9709 Pure Mathematics 1. All the past paper questions. So let's start solving the past paper questions based on the topic circles and coordinate geometry. So coming to the first question, it is about circles. Two circles are given over there. We'll try to understand the question carefully and try to solve it out. It says the diagram above shows a circle with center A passing through a point B and a second circle have a center B and passes through A. The tangent at B to the first circle intersects the second circle at C and D. The coordinates of A are given and B are given. Find the equation of the tangent CBD. Remember, in order to know the equation of any line, we need to know always two things. One is the point and a slope. So point B, already we know what is that point B, 3, 2, and we need to know the gradient. So what am I going to do? I am going to find the gradient of AB. Gradient of AB, I use the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus 4 upon 3 minus minus 1, which is nothing but what? Negative 2 upon 4, which is negative 1 upon 2. So gradient of tangent will be, because it is perpendicular, so gradient of tangent will be reciprocal and opposite symbol 2. So now equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 2 equals to 2 times x minus 3. So y minus 2 equals to 2x minus 6. So what do I get equation? Y equals to 2x minus 4. That's going to be the answer. Now find the equation of a circle with center B. So this time we have to find the equation of a circle. To find the equation of a circle, again we need to know two things. What are those two things? The center and the radius. So do we know the center? The center is 3, 2. And we need to know the radius. Radius is this distance between A to B. A to B is going to be the radius. So AB equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Let me write neatly over there. It becomes square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is going to be 4 square plus 2 square, which is root 20. So the radius is going to be root 20. Equation of a circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. So from there I get x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to root 20 whole square. Square and square root gets cancels. So my final answer is going to be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 20. Find out by calculation the x coordinates of C and D. So just now we got the equation of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 20. Equation of the tangent we got y equals to 2x minus 4. What am I going to do? I am going to plug in this y equals to 2x minus 4 over here. So it becomes x minus 3 whole square plus 2x minus 4 minus 2 whole square equals to 20. X square minus 6x plus 9, this is the expansion of this, plus this is 2x minus 6 whole square. Basically it is 2x minus 6 whole square. Its expansion is going to be 4x square minus 24x plus 36 minus 20 equals to 0. It becomes 5x square minus 30x plus 25 equals to 0. Divide by 5, x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. So when you factorize, x minus 5 times x minus 1 equals to 0. So either you get x equals to 5 or x equals to 1. Going to the second question, the coordinates of A and B are given. A is over here, B is over here. A is negative 7, 3, B is 5, 11. Show that the equation of the perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector means it should pass through the midpoint. So first of all find midpoint. midpoint of AB will be x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. So it's going to be negative 1, comma 7. Now I will be finding it out gradient of AB, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is 11 minus 3 upon 5 minus minus 7. So which is going to be 8 upon 12, which is 2 upon 3. So gradient of perpendicular bisector will be minus 3 upon 2. Now once I know the gradient and a point, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 7 equals to negative 3 upon 2 times x minus of minus 1. What I'll do, I'll times 2 on both sides so that I get rid of the denominator. So what does that becomes now? 2y minus 14 equals to 2 gets cancels, minus 3 times of x plus 1. So 2y minus 14 equals to minus 3x minus 3. Bring all the terms on one side, 3x plus 2y equals to 11. That's going to be the answer. Part B. A circle passes through A and B. Its center lies on this one. Find the equation of the circle. There is a circle and this is A and B. Now we draw the perpendicular bisector for AB. We know that the center lies on that perpendicular bisector. So what am I going to write? Center lies on both the line and also the perpendicular bisector. So 3x plus 2y equals to 11 is the perpendicular bisector and 12x minus 5y equals to 70 is the straight line given. So we do simultaneous equations. We solve simultaneous equations. So what am I going to do that? Multiply this first equation with 5 and second equation with 2. So it becomes 15x plus 10y equals to 55 and 24x minus 10y equals to 140. Then solve both. 10y 10y gets cancels. 39x equals to 195. X equals to 5. Now plug in x equals to 5 in the any one of the equation. I am taking the first equation. 5 plus 2y equals to 11. 15 plus 2y equals to 11. 2y equals to negative 4. Y equals to negative 2. So what's going to be the center? The center is 5 comma negative 2. Now what is being asked? Find the equation of a circle. To know the equation of a circle, we need to know center and radius. Already we know the center and we need to know the radius. So now the center was 5 comma negative 2 and point A or B you can take. So I take the point A, or B I take 5 comma 11. Now distance between them is going to be the radius. So I'll be finding it out the radius now. So radius equals to square root of 5 minus 5 whole square plus 11 minus minus 2 whole square, which is going to be 13 square. So 13, radius is going to be 13. So equation of the circle is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus minus 2 is y plus 2 whole square equals to 13 square. X minus 5 whole square, y plus 2 whole square equals to 169. Question number 3. The equation of the circle is given. Find the coordinates of the center. So whenever x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 is given, the center is minus g comma minus f. So take the x coordinate, divide by 2 and opposite symbol. Take the y coordinate, divide by 2 and take the opposite symbol. So center is minus 3 comma 1. Then radius. Radius formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c, which is 9 plus 1 minus of minus 26, which is square root 36, which is 6. Now hence find the coordinates of the lowest point of the circle. So we draw a circle. The center is minus 3 comma 1 and we know the radius is 6. So this point will be minus 3 comma 1 minus 6. So which is negative 3 comma negative 5. Next question. A circle has a center 5, comma 1. The point lies on that circle. So there is a circle over here. Center is 5, comma 1, which is B, and point A lies on the circle, which is negative 1, comma negative 2. Find the equation of a circle. So first of all, I need to know the radius. So AB distance is going to be square root of negative 1, negative 5 whole square plus negative 2, negative 1 whole square, which is going to be 36 plus 9, which is going to be square root 45. So equation of a circle is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to square root 45 whole square. So x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to 45. Point C is such that AC is the diameter, D is the coordinates. Point D has coordinates, so that DC is the tangent to the circle. So we draw the circle there. We know A, which is negative 1, comma negative 2. We know the center 5, comma 1, which is B. Now he's asking C. Now C is the point such that AC is the diameter. So B is midpoint of AC. So 5, comma 1 equals to, let this be x, comma y, minus 1 plus x upon 2 minus 2 plus y upon 2. Midpoint of AC. Equate it out. X minus 1 upon 2 equals to 5. X minus 1 equals to 10. X equals to 11. Y minus 2 upon 2 equals to 1. Y minus 2 equals to 2. Y equals to 4. So what are the coordinates of C? C is 11, comma 2. 11, comma 4. Now we have to prove that it is a tangent. DC is a tangent. So for that, what am I going to do? Gradient of DC. Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So which is 16 minus 4 upon 5 minus 11, which is 12 upon negative 6, which is negative 2. Gradient of AC. 4 minus minus 2 upon 11 minus minus 1. So which is nothing but how much? It becomes 6 upon 12, which is 1 upon 2. So negative 2 times 1 upon 2 is negative 1. Therefore, DC is perpendicular to, if the product of slopes is negative 1, it is perpendicular to AC. So therefore, DC is tangent to the circle. The other tangent, D, from D to the circle touches at E. So let's draw the circle. So there is D over here. From D, I'm drawing another tangent which touches at E. Another one was touching at E, C, and the center was 5, comma 1. Find the coordinates of E. So I join EC. Now, what am I going to do? The value of C. C is 11, comma 4. So therefore, as it is 11, comma 4, the y coordinate of E also has to be 4 itself only. So y value should be 4 by symmetry. Symmetry, y coordinate. Y coordinate of E is same as y coordinate of C. So it is 4. Then over here, if I draw the line, this distance should be equals to this distance from 11 to 5. X coordinate value was 11 over here. So the 5 distance was 6. So this side also the distance will be 6. So by again symmetry and using the fact that radius bisects the chord, it will divide the chord EC. So x coordinate will be, the distance was 6, so from 5 go backwards 6, so it is -1. So coordinates of E are -1, 4. That's going to be the answer. Now question number 7. The diagram shows the equation of a circle with center C. The point B has the coordinate 0, 2 and the line segment BC intersects the circle at P. Find the equation of BC. So we know center is, take the opposite symbols, 2, -4. Now I'll be finding gradient of BC. So which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, -6 upon 2, which is -3. Then I'll find the equation y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 2 equals to -3 times x minus 0. Y minus 2 equals to -3x. Y equals to -3x plus 2. Hence find the coordinates of P. So we know the equation of the circle was x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square equals to 20. But y equals to -3x plus 2. So plug in that y equals to -3x plus 2 over here. So what does that becomes? X minus 2 whole square plus minus 3x plus 2 plus 4 whole square equals to 20. X minus 2 whole square plus minus 3x plus 6 whole square equals to 20. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus 9x square minus 36x plus 36 equals to 20. It becomes 10x square minus 40x plus 20 equals to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0. So I use the quadratic formula minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. From there I get x equals to 2 plus or minus root 2. So I take one's positive value and once I take negative value, 2 minus root 2. So 2 plus root 2 should be on the right side and 2 minus root 2 should be on the left side of the diagram. So 2 plus root 2. So find the coordinates of P. P is positive, so therefore this point should be P. So this point should be the Q value. So we know that y equals to minus 3x plus 2. So minus 3 times 2 minus root 2 plus 2. So minus 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 3 root 2. So what is the answer? 2 minus root 2 comma 3 root 2 minus 4. Next question. The point A has the coordinates 1, 5 and line L has the gradient, passes through A. The circle has a center and a radius. Show that L is a tangent. So first of all, I'll find equation of circle. Equation of circle is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 11 whole square equals to 52. Now equation of line. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 5 equals to minus 2 upon 3 times x minus 1. Y minus 5 equals to minus 2 upon 3x plus 2 upon 3. So y minus 5 equals to minus 2 upon 3x plus 17 upon 3. This is the equation of the line. Now we have to prove that it is a tangent. So for that, what am I going to do? X minus 5 whole square plus y is nothing but what? Negative 2 upon 3x plus 17 upon 3 minus 11 whole square equals to 52. So what do I get from there? X square or x minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 upon 3x minus 16 upon 3 whole square equals to 52. Expand it out, you get x square minus 10x plus 25 plus 4 upon 9x square plus 64 upon 9x plus 256 upon 9 equals to 52. So multiply by 9 entirely. So you'll be getting it out. 9x square minus 90x plus 225 plus 4x square plus 64x plus 256 equals to 468. Now further that, you'll be getting it out 13x square minus 26x plus 13 equals to 0. From there I get x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Then for that, b square minus 4ac, I'll be finding it out, minus 2 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 1, which is equals to 0. Therefore, it is a tangent. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0 means it will be a tangent. Find the equation of the other circle of radius 52, square root 52, for which L is also a tangent. So there is a circle over here and there is another circle over here. Now this line is a tangent for both the circles. So this point was 1, 5 and this center was 5, 11. He is asking what is the center of this circle. So it's a midpoint. 1, 5 is a midpoint for, let this be x, y, x plus 5 upon 2, y plus 11 upon 2. So 1 equals to x plus 5 upon 2, x plus 5 equals to 2, x equals to negative 3. 5 equals to y plus 11 upon 2, y plus 11 equals to 10, y equals to negative 1. So what is the center? Minus 3, minus 1. Once I know the center, the radius was root 52. So what will be the equation? X minus minus 3 whole square, y minus minus 1 whole square equals to root 52 whole square. So x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equals to 52. Question number 7. The diameter of the circle C1 has endpoints this much. Find the equation of the circle. So first of all, I'm going to find midpoint. So which is negative 3 plus 7 upon 2, negative 5 plus 3 upon 2, which is 2, negative 1. Then the equation of the circle is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equals to r square. I need to know the radius. So how do I get the radius? I can plug in any one of the point over here to get the radius. So I'll be plugging it out the 7, 3. So 7 minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square equals to r square. So r square equals to 41. So what will be the equation of the circle now? X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equals to 41. The circle C is translated 8, 4 to give a circle C2 as shown in the diagram. Find the equation of the circle. So previously the center was 2, 1. 2, 1 is translated with 8, 4. Means on x-axis it moves 8 and on y-axis it moves 4. So 8 plus 2 is 10 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is going to be the new center. Radius will remain unchanged. Radius is unchanged because we are just shifting or translating the what it says the circle. So therefore it becomes x minus 10 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 41. Two circles intersect at R and S. Show that the equation of the line. So the first circle was C1 was x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equals to 41. The second circle was x minus 10 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 41. Both are same, so equate x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equals to x minus 10 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 2y plus 1 equals to x square minus 20x plus 100 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. So negative 4x plus 2y plus 5 equals to negative 20x negative 6y plus 109. So 8y equals to negative 16x plus 104. So y equals to negative 2x plus 13. And show that the x coordinates of R and S satisfy this equation. So we know x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equals to 41. But y is this, so we can plug in the value of y over there. So it becomes x minus 2 whole square plus minus 2x plus 13 plus 1 whole square equals to 41. So it becomes x minus 2 whole square plus minus 2x plus 14 whole square equals to 41. Expand it out, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 4x square minus 56x plus 196 equals to 41. It becomes 5x square minus 60x plus 200 equals to 41. 5x square minus 60x plus 159 equals to 0. Now coming to the next question, question number 8. The diagram shows the equation of a circle. Then the tangent to the circle at P meets the x-axis and y-axis at B. Find the area of the triangle. So first of all, the center of the circle is 3 and opposite symbol and divide by 2. 3 comma negative 2 is the center of the circle, which is C. Next, what am I going to do? I am going to find the what is this gradient of CP, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is 6 upon 2, which is 3. So the gradient of the tangent will be negative 1 upon 3. Once I get the gradient of the tangent, I'll find equation of the tangent. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1 is negative 1 upon 3 x minus 5. So y equals to negative 1 upon 3x plus 5 upon 3 plus 4. So y equals to negative 1 upon 3x plus 17 upon 3. Now it meets x-axis. X-axis means y equals to 0. So 0 equals to negative x plus 17 upon 3. So x equals to 17. So point A is 17 comma 0. It meets y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0. Y equals to 0 plus 17 upon 3. So the point B is 0 comma 17 upon 3. Now he's asking area. Area is half times base times height, which is half, base is 17, height is 17 upon 3. So 289 upon 6, that's going to be the area. The points P, Q and R lie on the circle such that PQR is a equilateral triangle. So it forms an equilateral triangle over there. I'm trying to draw an equilateral triangle. P, Q, R. Now I join to the center. This angle will be equals to 120 degrees. So then this is center C. So area of CPR, CPQ or CPQ will be half AB sine C. So half A radius is 40, another radius is also 40 and sine 120, which is 10 root 3. So there are 3 such triangles. 3 times 10 root 3, 30 root 3 is going to be the area of the triangle. Next question number 9. The equation of the circle is given. Find the radius of the circle and the coordinates of the C. Center is opposite symbol and divide by 2, negative 2, and radius is g square plus f square minus c. So 16 plus 4 minus of minus 5. So which is square root 25, which is 5. 1 comma 2 lies on the circle. Show that the equation of the tangent. So this is a circle. The center was 4 comma negative 2 and this is a tangent, and 1 comma 2 we have to draw the radius and it will be perpendicular. So gradient of radius is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 negative 4 upon 3. So gradient of tangent will be 3 upon 4. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Then I multiply entire equation with 4. So 4y minus 8 equals to 3x minus 3. So 4y equals to 3x plus 5. That's the equation of the tangent. The point Q lies also on the circle. This is a circle. This is PQ, PQ. Write down the coordinates of P. And this point is the center, 4, comma, negative 2. Just like last sum, this will be in the center. These two parts will be the same. And P is 1, comma 2. Now it is lying on the same value. So the y coordinate is going to be the 2. So y coordinate of Q equals to y coordinate of P. So that's equals to 2. Now PQ bisects the radius. So if this is M, PM equals to MQ, and this should be equals to 3 because 1 to 4. 1 to 4, the distance is 3. So 4 plus 3, which is equals to 7. So the point is 7, comma 2. The tangents to the circles at P and Q meet at T. Find the coordinates of T. So this is the circle again. This is PQ. Now I am drawing a tangent at P. Then I am drawing a tangent at Q. They meet at T. So gradient of the radius equals to, for Q, I am talking about Q, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is 4 upon 3. So gradient of the tangent at Q will be minus 3 upon 4. So the equation will be y minus 2 equals to minus 3 upon 4 times x minus 7, multiply by 4 again. So 4y minus 8 equals to negative 3x plus 21. So 4y equals to negative 3x plus 29. Now we'll do simultaneous equations. First one was 4y equals to 3x plus 5. Another one is 4y equals to negative 3x plus 29. Both are intersecting. So 3x plus 5 equals to negative 3x plus 29. 6x equals to 24. X equals to 4. Plug in x equals to 4. 4y equals to negative 12 plus 29. 4y equals to 17. Y equals to 17 upon 4. So what is the point? 4 comma 17 upon 4. Next, question number 10. The coordinates of ABC are given that AC equals to BC. So absolute value of AC will be distance 2p minus 5 whole square plus p minus minus 2 whole square, which is 4p square minus 20p plus 25 plus p square plus 4p plus 4, which is square root of 5p square minus 16p plus 29. This is the value for AC. Now what am I going to do? I am going to do for BC. Square root of 2p minus 10 whole square plus p minus 3 whole square. So which is square root of 4p square minus 40p plus 100 plus p square minus 6p plus 9, which is going to be 5p square minus 46p plus 109. Now both are equal. So square root of 5p square minus 16p plus 29 should be equal to square root of 5p square minus 46p plus 109. Then 5p square and square root gets cancels. 30p equals to 80, p equals to 8 upon 3. It is now given that instead AC is perpendicular to BC. So I'll find gradient of AC, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 2p minus 5. So it becomes p plus 2 upon 2p minus 5. I'll find gradient of BC, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now they are perpendicular. So When I multiply both, you should be getting it out -1 equals to -1. So numerators multiply p square minus p upon 6. 4p square minus 30p plus 50 should be equals to -1. This is 50. Then do the cross multiplication. P square minus p minus 6 equals to -4p square plus 30p minus 50. So I get 5p square minus 31p plus 44 equals to 0. So p equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 2 times 5. So you'll be getting two answers, either 4 or 11 upon 5. So p is an integer, so this 11 upon 5 is rejected, and p equals to 4 is only the answer. Find the equation of the circle which passes through ABC, giving your answers in the form. So A, C, B. Now A is 5 comma -2 and B is 10 comma 3 and C we don't know. Now I'll find midpoint of AB because this is the diameter. Midpoint of AB, which is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So which is going to be 15 upon 2 comma 1 upon 2. Now equation of the circle is x minus 15 upon 2 whole square plus y minus 1 upon 2 whole square equals to r square. Now we can plug in either A, B or C. So I will be taking it out C, which is 8 comma 4. So 8 minus 15 upon 2 whole square plus 4 minus 1 upon 2 whole square equals to r square. So which is 1 upon 2 whole square plus 7 upon 2 whole square equals to r square. So 1 upon 4 plus 49 upon 4 equals to r square. R square equals to 50 upon 4. So what will be the equation of a circle? X minus 15 upon 2 whole square plus y minus 1 upon 2 whole square equals to r square, 50 upon 4. Now is asking in this standard form, so therefore I have to expand it. X square minus 15x plus 225 upon 4 plus y square minus y plus 1 upon 4 equals to 50 upon 4. Multiply both sides with 4. So my final answer is going to be x square plus y square minus 15x minus y plus 44 equals to 0. Question number 11. Find out the equation of the circle P. Circle P, the center is 0, 2 and the radius is 10. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 10 square. So x square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 100. Find the equation of a tangent at to the circle of P at A. So I'll find the gradient of the radius, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is 4 upon 3. So gradient of the tangent will be minus 3 upon 4. So equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 10 equals to negative 3 upon 4x plus 9 upon 2. So y equals to negative 3 upon 4x plus 29 upon 2. Find the equation of the circle Q and hence verify that the y-coordinates of both the points of the intersection of the two circles are 11. For center for Q, center of Q will be 0, 29 upon 2. And radius is going to be, the radius of that one is 5 root 5, 5 root 5 upon 2, 5 root 5 upon 2. So what will be the equation of the circle? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 29 upon 2 whole square equals to 5 root 5 upon 2 whole square. X square plus y minus 29 upon 2 whole square equals to 125 upon 4. But from the first equation, from here, we know that x square equals to 100 minus y minus 2 whole square. So I can plug in that one over here. 100 minus y minus 2 whole square plus y minus 29 upon 2 whole square equals to 129 upon 4. So 100 minus y square plus 4y minus 4 plus y square minus 29y plus 841 upon 4 equals to 125 upon 4. So y square cancels. So what I'll be getting it out over here? Minus 25y plus 1225 upon 4 is 125 upon 4. So minus 25y equals to minus 275. So y equals to 11. That is the answer. So I create a space over there so that I can squeeze everything in before the end of this question. So it implies y equals to 11. Now part D, find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the tangent and the circle. Tangent equation was y equals to minus 3 upon 4x plus 29 upon 2. And circle equation was x square plus y minus 29 upon 2 whole square equals to 125 upon 4. Plug in y over here. X square plus minus 3 upon 4x plus 29 upon 2 minus 29 upon 2 whole square equals to 125 upon 4. So x square plus 29 upon 2, 29 upon 2 gets cancels. 9 upon 16 x square equals to 125 upon 4. 25 x square upon 16 equals to 125 upon 4. X square equals to 20, x equals to plus minus square root 20. So I got the values of x as plus minus square root 20. So I take if x equals to plus square root 20 or x equals to minus square root 20. Y will be minus 3 upon 4 square root 20 plus 29 upon 2, which is 29 upon 2 minus 3 square root 20 upon 4. So the point will be square root 20 comma 29 upon 2 minus 3 square root 20 upon 4. In this case, y will be minus 3 upon 4 square root 20 minus square root 20 plus 29 upon 2. So it will be 29 upon 2 plus 3 square root 20 upon 4. So the point is negative square root 20 comma 29 upon 2 plus 3 square root 20 upon 4. Now question number 12. A circle has a equation show that t is outside the circle. So if at all the point is outside the circle, the distance between these two should be greater than the radius. So what is the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle is square root of 100, which is 10. So I'm going to find the distance between the center, which is 8 comma 4, and the point negative 6 comma 6. I find the distance, which is negative 6 negative 8 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square, which is 196 plus 4, which is square root of 200, which is 10 root 2, which is greater than 10. Therefore, it is outside. Two tangents from T to the circle are drawn. Show that the angle between the tangents and CT is exactly 45 degrees. So I draw a circle over there. This is two tangents from T, and this is the center C. This is the radius. This is the radius, which is perpendicular. This distance is square root 200. The radius is 10. The center is 8 comma 4, and T is minus 6 comma 6. So I redraw the triangle now. This is T, angle is theta, this is 10, this is 90 degrees, and this is square root 200, this is C. So I'm going to use sine theta. Sine theta equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. So theta equals to sine inverse of 10 upon square root 200. Do by calculator. You should be getting 45 degrees. The two tangents touch the circle at A and B. So the two tangents, this is the first tangent and this is the second tangent, A, B, and this is T. This is the chord AB, and this one divides into two equal parts. The center is C 8, 4. T is minus 6, 6. What is being asked? Find the equation of line AB. So first of all, I'm going to find midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB will be same as midpoint of CT. Midpoint of AB is same as midpoint of CT. So which is going to be 8 minus 6 upon 2, 4 plus 6 upon 2. So which is 1, 5. Now gradient of CT, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is negative 2 upon 14, which is negative 1 upon 7. So gradient of AB will be, it is perpendicular 7. So equation of AB will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Y minus 5 equals to 7x minus 7. Y equals to 7x minus 2. Find the x coordinates of A and B. So we know the equation of a circle is x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equals to 100. So x minus 8 whole square plus y is 7x minus 2 minus 4 whole square equals to 100. So x minus 8 whole square plus 7x minus 6 whole square equals to 100. So x square minus 16x plus 64 plus 49x square minus 84x plus 36 equals to 100. So it becomes 50x square minus 100x plus 100 equals to 100. So 50x square minus 100x equals to 0. X square minus 2x equals to 0. X times x minus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to 0, x equals to 2. Now coming to question number 13, the equation of the circle is given. This is a tangent. Show that one of the possible value of A is 4 and find the other possible value. X minus A whole square plus y is half x plus 6 minus 3 whole square equals to 20. X minus A whole square plus half x plus 3 whole square equals to 20. X square minus 2ax plus a square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 3x plus 9 equals to 20. 5 upon 4x square plus 3x minus 2ax plus a square minus plus 9 minus 20 equals to 0. 5 upon 4 x square plus 3 minus 2ax plus a square minus 11 equals to 20. So this is A, this is B, this is C. If it is a tangent, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So 3 minus 2a whole square minus 4 times 5 upon 4 times a square minus 11 equals to 0. 9 minus 12a plus 4a square minus 5 times a square minus 11 equals to 0. 9 minus 12a plus 4a square minus 5a square plus 55 equals to 0. Minus a square minus 12a plus 64 equals to 0. A square plus 12a minus 64 is equals to 0. A plus 16 times a minus 4 equals to 0. So a equals to negative 16 or a equals to 4. Now for a equals to 4, find the equation of the normal. So this is a circle, this is a tangent at P. Now I want to know the equation of a normal. It is passing through the center 4, 3. This is our normal and this is our tangent. So center is 4, 3. Gradient of tangent is 1 upon 2. So gradient of normal will be negative 2. So what will be the equation? Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, y minus 3 equals to minus 2x plus 8, y equals to negative 2x plus 11. For a equals to 4, find the equations of the two tangents to the circle which are parallel to the normal found in B. So this is a circle, this is A, this is B, and this is for center 4 comma 3. Now we need to find the equations of the two tangents. So here one tangent at A and one tangent at B. We have to find it out, that one. Now for this line, gradient of that line is 1 upon 2. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 3 equals to half x minus 2. Y equals to half x minus 1 or plus 1. Now substituting this one in the equation of a circle. What was the equation of a circle? X minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 20. X minus 4 whole square plus y is half x plus 1 minus 3 whole square equals to 20. Then x minus 4 whole square plus half x minus 2 whole square equals to 20. X square minus 8x plus 16 plus 1 upon 4 x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 20. So it becomes 5 upon 4 x square minus 10x plus 20 equals to 20. 5 upon 4 x square minus 10x equals to 0. 5x square minus 40x equals to 0. 5x common, x minus 8 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 or x equals to 8. If x equals to 0, y equals to half times 0 plus 1, y equals to 1, so 0 comma 1. This is 1 point. If x equals to 8, y equals to half times 8 plus 1, which is equals to 5, so 8 comma 5. Now for this equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Y minus 1 equals to negative 2x, y equals to negative 2x plus 1. For this one, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Y minus 5 equals to negative 2x plus 16. Y equals to negative 2x plus 21. That's going to be the answer. So we have done approximately 13 questions in this video. Remaining 13 questions we will be doing in the second part of the video of past papers from P1 coordinate geometry based upon circles and simultaneous equations. See you in the next video. Bye.